Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be reviewing a combo which is Sterling Wolf 580 Hexa, which is a combo that uses its tall height and its free spinning ring on the underside of the blade to deflect attacks and use the Hexa bit for added defense and burst resistance. But now let's get into the launch techniques that can help further boost its performance in battles, and we're going to be using the winder launcher and doing a tilt launch into the center. Now before we get into the battles, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and also make sure to check out the Bay Kingdom website for tools that can help improve your Beyblade experience. And now that I've talked about the gimmick and showed you guys the launch technique, let's get into the first opponent. The first Beyblade we have going up against Sterling Wolf is Buster Dran 260 low flat, which is an attack type combo that's very aggressive and uses the 260 ratchet to enhance its one-hit KO abilities, and using the other side of the 260 ratchet to make more consistent attacks with this blade.
3, 2, 1, buddy.
The next Beyblade that will be going up against Sterling Wolf is Soar Phoenix 760 Vortex. This is a strong attack type combo that uses the 760 ratchet and the Soar Phoenix blade for a bunch of weight, and the Vortex bit for added speed in battles to get extra knockouts.
3, 2, 1.
Third bay that will be going up against Sterling Wolf is Impact Drake 360 Point. This is a balance type combo that uses the point bit for a stamina mode if launched with a string launcher, and also uses it for an attack mode when using a winder launcher.
3, 2, 1, buddy.
The last Beyblade that will be going up against Sterling Wolf is Cobalt Dragoon 455 Elevate. This is a low balance type combo that focuses on spin stealing from other bays when it's on low stamina, and uses the Elevate bit for extra life after death so it can spin longer than other bays. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Let me know what your thoughts are about Sterling Wolf 580 Hexa. I think this Beyblade did pretty well, and it was able to deflect attacks pretty consistently, most likely using the combination of the free spinning ring and the 580 ratchet. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and make sure to check out our website for some tools that could help you in battles. But that's going to be the end of the video. See ya.